What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to play Truth or Dare by Tyla, and I'm going to teach you two different ways to play it. The first way is you're going to need a capo on the first fret, and it's going to be 3 chords: A minor 7, E minor 7, and F major 7. And the second way you can play it is put the capo up here on the 6th fret, and it'll be an E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7. Like every video, everything's relative to the capo in terms of how I'm teaching the chords. So here's how you play the chords. So here's the first way to play it. Again, capo on the 1st fret, everything is relative to the capo. And the first chord is an A minor 7. So that's gonna be the 1st fret B string and the 2nd fret D string. It'll sound like this. Second chord is an E minor 7, so that's the 2nd fret of the A string. It's gonna sound like this. Third chord is an F major 7, so 1st fret B string, 2nd fret G string, and 3rd fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, and that 2nd chord, the E minor 7, you're kind of using that 2nd chord as a transition from the A minor 7 to the F major 7. So the way you can think about it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's literally like that throughout the entire song. And so, you know, with the lyrics, you know, the chorus is like, now you care, yeah, truth or dare, yeah, are you playing truth or dare, yeah? Then you just repeat it, okay? So that's the first way to play it. And also, you know, the style of the song is, you know, afrobeat, amapiano, like that type of vibe. So instead of just strumming it, you know, you might want to just, you know, pluck the strings, something like that. All right, guys, here's the second way to play it. You're gonna have the capo now on the 6th fret. Everything's relative to the capo. So that first chord is gonna be an E minor 7. It's gonna sound like this. That's the 2nd fret A string. All right. The 3rd chord is a B minor 7, so we're gonna bar the 2nd fret. It's gonna be the 3rd fret B string and the 4th fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. And the 3rd chord is a C major 7. So that's gonna be the 2nd fret D string, 3rd fret A string. It's gonna sound like this. So this is an open C major 7 chord, but you can also play a bar C major 7 chord up here on the 3rd fret. So you would bar the 3rd fret, then it would be the 4th fret G string and the 5th fret D and B. But personally, for this particular song, I like to play the open C major 7 chord. So, so yeah, all together. Again, you might not want to just strum it. You might want to add some hammer-ons, you know, slap the guitar, you know, just kind of give it some pop so you can match the vibe of the song. And again, that 2nd chord, the B minor 7, we're using that as a transition from the 1st to the 3rd. And, you know, you're kind of transitioning in the middle of the 4 count. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching and tapping in. Hopefully this added value to you and helps you out. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below. Like this video, and please consider subscribing if you want more videos like this. And also, I actually made a tutorial on Tyla's other song, Butterflies. So if you want to check that out, I'll link it down in the description, or you can click somewhere here on this video. All right, see you guys on the next one.